be doing an unboxing video after I think a gazillion of years. I've missed unboxing videos so much. I know you guys would have as well. So yes, before beginning this video, I would like to say if there's any other unboxing you guys would like to see, then comment around below and I would love to do unboxings for you guys. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Violet box, and this is how it comes in. It comes in this cardboard box. So I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to like rip this apart, because I generally, in general life terms, I don't have etiquettes of opening packages, and my unboxings are frequently known for that my etiquettes in opening packages is completely zero. I couldn't agree more. So I'm just opening this package, and once you open this up, it's nicely bubble wrapped so that it's safe and secure and everything like that. Before going into the box, I would like to say that there are two types of boxes that are available at their site. One is indulgences box, which is $6.99 for 3 months. Yes, 3 months. And then there is the period box, which is $7.99 for 3 months, which is so economical. I think they are the most affordable box subscription bag out there, and they have some amazing stuff. I've had their box last month as well, so I know they have amazing stuff. Plus they are associated with such good causes. I would also like to take this moment and say that this box is special because it's Diwali month. So generally for one box, they like one subscription, they help one girl in need for sanitary uses and everything. But for this box, they are gonna help 10 people. So if you subscribe this month, they're gonna help 10 people, which is so satisfying to know that, you know, something that you're doing, something that you're buying is also helping others. They're not like in NGOs. They have complete transparency. They will tell you where it's going, which is the best thing. And no, this is not paid, not sponsored. I'm saying this with all my heart. This is such a cause that I would never like to take money for it personally, because I wholeheartedly support it. And also the fact that they're trying to bring awareness about something that we tend to stay hush about. We're like, shh, don't tell anyone you're on a period, don't tell anyone you got your period. It's something we gotta talk about more, because a lot of times people end up into trouble because of having, you know, not proper sanitation and everything. There's UTI, there's infections, fungal infections. There's just so many things that are attached to it that we need to talk about it. Anyways, this is what the box looks like. It's matte black and it has metallic things over it, and it's curated by Shruti Arjun Anand. First of all, a huge congrats to Shruti for curating the box. Last month was curated by Prachi from Super Wow Style, and this time it's curated by Shruti Arjun Anand. I know both of them, I've met both of them, so I'm really proud that you guys have curated these boxes. It's just amazing to know. So I'm just gonna open up the box. And as usual, the box comes in with this sheet. Oh, I forgot that I haven't done an unboxing last time, so you wouldn't know. So the box is nicely wrapped in everything, and it has this butter paper. So you gotta open that up, and once you open that up, they have a postcard in here which shows who all they support, who all they help. So the photograph shows all of the girls that they've helped in sanitation, in providing proper sanitation, and it just says, for every box you buy, the Violet donates periods essential to those in need, 1 for 1. But this time, as I said, it's 1 for 10. So this month, if you do something, it's like a Diwali gift from your side to someone who's in help, which is all what Diwali stands for as well. So yes, this is something that helps you know that your money is going in the right place. Although their box is like extremely affordable, so it's something you should definitely try. Just 700 rupees for 3 months, guys. For an indulgences box and for a period box, 800 rupees for 3 months is really affordable. You can, however, buy a box for just 1 month, but the price is going to be slightly higher. So just letting you know. So inside we have a letter. So it's from Shruti Arjun Anand, and it just tells what products she has curated and why she's curated them and how it is helpful in your periods and everything. So I'm just gonna be, you know, going through whatever's there. So the first thing that comes in my hand is this Teddy Roosevelt filter coffee. It's in this cutesy little cardboard box, and it is good for 2 serving, which is a great thing. So you can have coffee, and coffee always helps, and I love coffee, and I love how nicely packed it is. Even though it's like a 2 serving thing, they haven't given just a sachet or anything. They've packed it nicely in a box and everything, and it looks really nice. So I'm really excited to try that out. Then we have this Kama Ayurveda foot cream. It's a tester product, but it's a nice tester product. It's not like tiny, it's a good sized product, which is a good thing. Then they have Kama Ayurveda Lavanya Natural Plant Mask. This again is a tester product. It's a good thing that they give out products which are indulging. So if you are like on your period and you feel really cranky or just like meh, you can try out these products and you're gonna feel all pampered. which also is the idea behind this box. Then we have another Kama Ayurveda product. This is a bath salt, which is a great thing because generally in life terms, whenever I'm cranky and I'm like, I'm PMSing, I like to lie down in a bathtub, have a nice bath salt and just relax and unwind. So this is a very good idea. This is like with essential oils of sandalwood and mint really helps when you are having PMS or even in periods. Mint really helps. Then they have two candles, which I think are fragrant candles. So it's gonna help you just relax. You can just burn these in your room and just relax, unwind, or you can burn these while you're in your bathtub with the bath salt. You can burn these there. You're gonna like relax and be nice. These smell very fresh and very beautiful. So I cannot wait to like burn these in my room at least. Alright, next we have this Ma Earth Botanicals Rose Shar Gel. Again, it's an indulging product. It's a very nice sample size. It's huge, and plus you just require like a drop of shower gel, and this is gonna last for a really long time. Then we have Boston tea. This is whole leaf black tea with masala. Now I am not a tea person. This is for 4 servings. But if you are a chai person, like a lot of people I know are chai persons. So if you are, then this is gonna be really good for you. I can already smell it, and it's like completely sealed. So I can smell it. It's quite strong, and the box again is really nice. And this is like a cork box. So you can like reuse it. I'm quite sure you can reuse this. This is a great packaged product. Then we have the glowing ember incense sticks. These were there in the last bag as well, and these are again great because they do fragrance therapy. So these smell so good. They smell really good. I really like incense sticks. They just bring so much of, you know, calmness around you. I really like incense sticks. Then we have DDR and Frank dark chocolate. Oh my gosh, you guys, like they had dark chocolate in their last bag as well, and I was like, yes, that is just what I needed because I love dark chocolate. This is not only 57% dark chocolate, it also has mocha. I'm done. I don't even care if my PMS is not nearby. I'm having this as soon as I'm done filming this unboxing. So those were all of the indulgences that they gave out. Now there's another layer of paper, and once you take that up, you have pads and panty liners. So they have given out 15 pads, which are more than enough to take you through your periods, which is a great thing. And then they've given 5 panty liners, which is a great thing. Now panty liners are very, very, very handy. You must always have one in your handbag. So with that, I complete my unboxing for the Violet box. Do I think it's worth it? It's totally worth it. Not only for the price, but also the causes that they're associated with. Plus they give out amazing products. What else do you need in life? I am so highly impressed with the Violet box and I highly recommend it. I will have all of the links and everything you need to know in the bottom bar so you can go ahead and read it, but I highly recommend it to you. And yes, that was everything I had to say about the Violet box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.